Are you struggling with hormonal imbalances and looking for a natural solution? This is going to blow your mind. Did you know that a simple glass of juice can be a powerful ally in your quest for hormonal balance? Yes, it's true. The natural ingredients found in fresh juices are more than just delicious. They are packed with nutrients that can help regulate your body's hormonal functions. It's true. Natural juices packed with essential vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants can work wonders in supporting your body's delicate endocrine system. These nutrients play a crucial role in maintaining the balance of hormones, which are vital for numerous bodily functions, including mood regulation, energy levels, and even skin health. By incorporating these nutrient-rich elixirs into your daily routine, you can embark on a journey toward greater hormonal harmony and overall well-being. Imagine starting your day with a refreshing glass of juice that not only tastes great, but also sets the tone for a balanced and energetic day ahead. In this informative video, we will delve into the world of juices and their remarkable ability to balance hormones naturally. We will provide you with insights into how different types of juices can target specific hormonal issues and offer practical tips on how to incorporate them into your diet. We will explore the common symptoms of hormonal imbalances, such as fatigue, mood swings, and weight fluctuations, and how these can impact your daily life. Understanding these symptoms is the first step toward addressing them effectively. Uncover the intricate connection between your gut and hormones, and how a healthy gut can lead to better hormonal balance. The gut is often referred to as the second brain, and its health is crucial for the proper functioning of your endocrine system. And discover the specific benefits of incorporating beetroot, carrot, and other vegetable juices into your diet. These vegetables are not only rich in essential nutrients, but also have unique properties that can help regulate hormones. And green leafy juices into your diet. Green leafy vegetables are particularly beneficial due to their high content of vitamins and minerals that support hormonal health. Join us as we unlock the secrets to vibrant health and vitality through the power of juice. By making small changes to your daily routine, you can experience significant improvements in your hormonal health and overall well-being. Let's embark on this transformative journey together. With the right knowledge and a commitment to a healthier lifestyle, you can achieve hormonal harmony and enjoy a more vibrant, energetic life. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips on natural health and wellness. Welcome to the Holistic Wellness Realm, your guide to holistic health. Here, we embark on a journey towards achieving a balanced and harmonious life. At Holistic Wellness Realm, we believe in the power of natural solutions to achieve optimal health and well-being. Our philosophy is rooted in the idea that nature provides us with everything we need to thrive. Our approach to wellness encompasses the mind, body, and spirit, recognizing that true health stems from a harmonious balance within. We offer a variety of information that cater to your unique needs, ensuring a comprehensive path to wellness. When it comes to hormonal health, we understand the importance of addressing the root causes of imbalances rather than simply masking the symptoms. Our goal is to help you to identify and address these underlying issues, promoting long-term health. Our team is dedicated to providing you with the knowledge, tools, and support you need to restore balance and reclaim your vitality. We hope you use the information and tools provided to develop personalized plans that fit your lifestyle and health goals. We invite you to explore the transformative potential of juices. Freshly made juices are packed with essential nutrients that can help regulate your hormones and boost your overall health. Alongside other holistic practices such as acupuncture, aromatherapy, and Tai Chi, these natural solutions support your overall well-being. Each practice is designed to work synergistically, enhancing your body's natural healing processes. Together, let's create a life filled with energy, vitality, and hormonal harmony. Join us at Holistic Wellness Realm and take the first step towards a healthier, more balanced you. Hormonal imbalances. Recognizing the signs. Hormones play a vital role in regulating numerous bodily functions, from mood and sleep to metabolism and reproduction. When our hormones are in balance, we feel our best. However, hormonal imbalances can wreak havoc on our physical and emotional well-being. Common signs of hormonal imbalances include fatigue, unexplained weight gain or difficulty losing weight, mood swings, sleep disturbances, low libido, and digestive issues. If you experience any of these symptoms, it's important to consult with a healthcare professional to determine the underlying cause and explore appropriate treatment options. The gut hormone connection: how diet impacts your hormones. Believe it or not, your gut health plays a crucial role in hormonal balance. The trillions of bacteria residing in your gut, known as the gut microbiome, influence hormone production, metabolism, and even your mood. An unhealthy diet high in processed foods, sugar, and unhealthy fats can disrupt the balance of bacteria in your gut, leading to inflammation and hormonal imbalances. On the other hand, a nutrient-rich diet abundant in fruits, vegetables, and fiber promotes a healthy gut microbiome, which in turn supports hormonal harmony. Beetroot juice, a vibrant elixir for hormonal balance. Beetroot juice, with its vibrant hue and earthy flavor, is a powerhouse of nutrients that can work wonders for your hormones. Beets are rich in nitrates, which are converted into nitric oxide in the body. Nitric oxide helps to relax blood vessels, improve blood flow, and support healthy hormone production. Additionally, beetroot juice is an excellent source of antioxidants, which protect your cells from damage caused by free radicals. This protective effect can help to reduce inflammation and support the health of your endocrine system. Carrot juice, nature's gift for estrogen regulation. Carrot juice, known for its sweet and slightly earthy taste, is another excellent choice for supporting hormonal balance. Carrots are particularly beneficial for regulating estrogen levels due to their unique fiber content. Carrot fiber binds to excess estrogen in the gut, preventing it from being reabsorbed into the bloodstream. This helps to maintain healthy estrogen levels, which is essential for both men and women. Green leafy juices, detoxifying and balancing your hormones. Green leafy vegetables such as spinach, kale, and romaine lettuce are nutritional powerhouses that can greatly benefit your hormonal health. These leafy greens are packed with chlorophyll, a powerful antioxidant that supports liver detoxification. Your liver plays a crucial role in filtering toxins from your body, including excess hormones. By supporting liver function, green leafy juices help to eliminate these toxins, promoting hormonal balance and overall well-being. A journey to hormonal harmony, Sarah's success story. Sarah, a 35-year-old woman, had been struggling with hormonal imbalances for years. She often felt exhausted and found it difficult to get through her daily tasks. She experienced fatigue, weight gain, mood swings, and irregular periods. These symptoms made her life challenging and affected her overall well-being. After trying various medications and therapies with limited success, Sarah decided to explore natural solutions. She was determined to find a way to feel better without relying solely on pharmaceuticals. Inspired by the information like that presented in this video, Sarah decided to incorporate beetroot, carrot, and green leafy juices into her daily routine. She learned about the numerous health benefits these juices could offer. Within a few weeks, she noticed a significant improvement in her energy levels, mood, and digestion. The natural nutrients in the juices seemed to be working wonders for her body. Her periods became more regular, and she even started losing weight. The changes were not just physical. She felt a renewed sense of hope and vitality. "I can't believe the difference these juices have made in my life," Sarah shares. She began to tell her friends and family about her journey, hoping to inspire others. "I feel like a new person," she exclaims. The transformation was evident in her daily activities and interactions. "I have more energy, my mood is stable, and my hormones are finally balanced," she says with a smile. Sarah's story is a testament to the power of natural remedies and the importance of taking charge of one's health. Juicing for hormone health, a recap of benefits. As we've explored, incorporating beetroot, carrot, and green leafy juices into your diet can provide numerous benefits for hormonal balance. These juices are rich in essential vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. They support healthy hormone production and regulation, promote liver detoxification, reduce inflammation, and improve digestion and nutrient absorption. By harnessing the power of these nutrient-rich elixirs, you can take a proactive approach to supporting your hormonal health and overall well-being. Incorporate juices into your daily routine. Adding these beneficial juices to your daily routine is easier than you might think. Start by incorporating 1 glass of juice per day, gradually increasing to 2 or 3 glasses as desired. You can enjoy these juices on their own, or get creative and combine them with other fruits, vegetables, and herbs to create delicious and personalized blends. Experiment with different flavor combinations to find what you enjoy most. Embrace a healthier you. Remember, achieving hormonal harmony is a journey, not a destination. By incorporating these juices into a holistic approach to wellness that includes a balanced diet, regular exercise, stress management, and adequate sleep, you can create a life filled with vitality and well-being. Embrace the power of natural solutions and embark on your journey toward hormonal harmony today. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more tips on living a healthier life.